Hello, this is Christian Fink for ABP Tech Canada and ABP Tech International. Today I would like to show you how to program the RFID cards into the Mobotix T-Station. To do this, Mobotix has given us three options of doing this. First, you'll program the cards during the auto configuration. Second, you'll add the user cards after the auto configuration by using the T-Station alone. Or third, and this is the most comfortable version, you'll add the cards using the MX display or Frog Blue display. Now I switch over to my phone here on the other side of the table. You already see it here on the screen soon. But let's start the auto configuration process by going into the admin menu. Within the hardware configuration, click on Manage MX Bus Modules. And then click on Initialize Door Station Modules. So you click here, and now the auto configuration starts, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so the T-Station here is doing the auto configuration already. I have to wait a little bit until the lower section here blinks. Yeah, starting to blink. So the first thing I have to do, I have to enter a super pin. The super pin is to encrypt the communication between the main station and the keypad. There's no time rush here, but later on there is one. So let's do this slowly here. I have to enter super pin. For simplicity, I use 128 because it has to be 8 digits. So I'll put it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll confirm with OK. I'll have to do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And OK, you see the circular lighting pattern. And now we have to do it a bit faster. I have to enter the admin card first. So I'll hold over it until I see the lighting pattern. And now I can add the user cards. And you always see the lighting pattern, but I have to be relatively quick. Yeah, this one worked. This one worked too. So once I'm done, I hit escape and the system is done. Now, in order to check if the cards have been entered, I just need to basically hold it in front of it. See the blue key enters. Here's a card I haven't entered. So if I'll try this, you'll see I get the error message. So this one is not entered in the system. Now these cards all should be, yeah, perfect, worked. I'll wait another second, worked, and the last one worked too. Okay, so the admin card should never be used. It should be put someplace safe, because you need that to program the camera. Should not be used as an access card, even though it is completely capable of being used, of course. But again, do not use it if you are the administrator of the building this will be installed. Have your own user card instead and put this in a safe place. Okay, so how to add another card or another couple of cards if you have to. So these ones are the ones we programmed. Put them here. Now the way of doing it using just T-Station. First, we have to tell the system we want to do something with the system itself, adding cards, deleting cards. So I hit the OK for 2 beeps, and then you see the OK is blinking. Now I authorize myself with the admin card. You see that the OK has stopped blinking. Now I go into the access control part. Now I can delete with escape, or I can add with OK. So I'll hit OK again for 2 beeps. Now OK is blue, and now I can add this card. Yeah, I was potentially a bit too, I was too slow probably. Okay, let's do it again. So blue key, twice here, and let's see if it's in there. It was already in there, so okay, that's programmed. Now again, unfortunately, it locked us out, so we'll go back in. 2 seconds, okay. I hit the, I have to authorize myself, admin card first. I hit the blue key. I want to add cards until I have 2 beeps and the blue is blinking. And now I hold the new card in front of it, and that's it. I want to exit out. I'll hit escape. Now I can test if this card was added. And no, it wasn't added. Okay, why wasn't it added? Okay, let's try this again. 2 beeps here. Okay, so this is okay. I authorize myself. Now I want to access control. I want to add cards. 2 beeps, and the blue is, I'll use a different card for now. So I'm holding this one. I think I'm too quick here, so let's see. Okay, let's go out. Let's see if it works. Yep, and this one worked. So now this one is programmed. This one is programmed as well. Okay, now you see there's a little bit of a time crunch here, so you have to be fast. One more time, we'll have one last card, and then this one, maybe that's a defective card. We will see. So again, I want to get into the system. 2 beeps for OK. So now this is good. And then I authorize myself with the admin card. I want to do changes in the access control part. I hit OK, hold it for longer. So now I can add a card. Hold it in front. You saw there was the circular movement. So now I'm good. I get out, I'll check again, and it is working. Okay, so that was the part where you can program cards directly at the T-Station. So the most comfortable option to program cards is you use the Mobotix display, or nowadays it's the Frog Blue display. We'll go into the settings. I already connected the display to the camera, and then I select access control, so it loads everything we stored so far in the camera into the display. And here you go. I'll try to do it this way so you see better. So all the cards we've entered are basically now in here. Since I only have 1 card left to add, I want to make it easy. I'll delete a couple of cards. Actually, let's see that I delete the right card. So there is a card and number 558, which we have basically here. So I hold it a little bit longer, and then there's the trash symbol, and then I'll do the same thing with this one, trash symbol, and you know what, I'll simply delete them all. It's the easiest way. So that were all those entries we've done via the camera. I'll save it, apply the changes. It now saves it back to the T-Station. Okay, so now I have the administrator with the default PIN number, again not used for access. You see the key is gray. I could also make the gray red, then it becomes more clear. There's 1 administrator card assigned to the administrator, so that's basically it. If I want to make this card not accessible, then, which I probably want to do, because again, you only want to identify yourself for the camera. So now the administrator has no access. Okay. So the easiest way to add a card is you click the plus, you hold the card in front of it. So it basically beeps and, oops, okay. Let's go back in, access control. So the card has been added, and now it's not assigned to any user or anything, but the card is there. Now you see the key, not sure if you can see that, is still gray. So we have to authorize it first. So now the card, the blue user card is a key. I'll save it. And now if I want to use it, you see it is working. That is the most comfortable way of entering cards. Now, if I want to assign this to a user, I hit the plus. I want to add a new user. Let's say I want to add me. I'll use my nickname, Chris. Say return. So now there's Chris. Chris has nothing assigned yet. So again, I hold tighter to the card. Where the user is, I hit the triangle, select my name, and go back. So now when I'm closing it, now this card is assigned to me. I want to add a PIN code. I could also add a PIN code. Let's say again, 1, 2, 3, 4. I check, I give the PIN code an assigned green key.
I'll store it. And now if I enter the key, 1, 2, 3, 4, key, and you see we're getting in. And basically, since my name is now in the system, you have an easy way of traffic, of controlling my traffic in and out. Okay, so that's the easiest way of programming cards. Again, we have the authorization directly done by the system with the admin card. You teach end user cards, and that's it.
Okay, so how does it look on the T-Station system side? Here under the video door station, we have the entry permissions. So if I click on those, it loads again everything out of the keypad. So as you can see, we have 3 registered entry permissions. We have the master user with a PIN and a transponder. That's the admin and the admin card. It is valid unlimitedly, yes, so that's not an issue here. So then comes the user transponder, the card which we just entered, the 5580, and then the PIN which I just registered. Unfortunately, the username doesn't travel over, it's not synced with the system. It's a little downer. But maybe that's still coming. And then there's the entry log, and you see here everything we've tried so far. See, there's the PIN I've tried, and the rest. Okay, yeah, that's it for now. I hope that this was a helpful video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below and I will answer them. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.